Greetings once again with our next video, and today we are at Dubai Garden Glow. Dubai Garden Glow is located in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates, and is the largest theme park in the country. Dubai Garden Glow comprises of over 10 million LED lights and sculptures made in recyclable materials like clothes, and this makes it a wonderful destination to visit. Dubai Garden Glow is a theme park and has a lot to offer. Please stay with me until the end of the video so that we will see what Dubai Garden Glow has to offer. Let's get there. thanks so much for watching until the end of the video, and a little to share. Dubai Garden Glow has a lot to offer. Also has a dinosaur park, which we are going to share in future. Has a magic also park we're going to share in the future. So and also the night experience is far different from the day experience, and we are going to bring all of this right here. Just stay with us long enough, and thanks for watching until the end of the video. See you next time on the next video. Godspeed everybody. Godspeed everybody. See you next time.